Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? Hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIBS home school. This is Sonia Khan Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Mohaneship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take English language class for the student of class 2 student, and our today's topic lesson 17, exercise 1, 2 and rearrange. Look at the board, student. This is class 2. Subject English language, term half yearly, lecture 12, homework 11, topic lesson 17, exercise 1, 2 plus rearrange. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. Enjoying grammar, lesson 17, capital letters, full stops and question marks. Again I am saying the lesson name, capital letters, full stops and question marks. Read these sentences. This is Hatrim. What is Hatrim doing? This is coloring. He is coloring a picture. Again I am saying this is Hatrim. What is Hatrim doing? He is coloring a picture. A sentence begins with a capital letter. A proper noun also begin with a capital letter. So again I am saying a sentence begin with a capital letter. A sentence beginning with a capital letter. So this is the sentence beginning with a capital letter T, W, he. All are beginning words. So these all are capital letter. A proper noun also begins with a capital letter. Hatrim. Hatrim is a proper noun. So begin with capital letter. A sentence ends with a full stop. This sentence, a sentence ends with full stop. A question ends with question mark. A question. What is Hatrim doing? This is a question. So this question ends with question mark. Again I am saying a sentence begins with a capital letter. A proper noun also begins with a capital letter. A sentence ends with a full stop. A question ends with a question mark. Now we will start our exercise number 1. Exercise number 1. Rewrite this paragraph in your notebooks with capital letters in the correct places. The capital letters are missing in 12 places. So my dear student, first of all we have to find the capital letters which are missing in the 12 places. First one. First we have to read. Jafar is my best friend. He is 7 years old. He studies in model school in Kanpur. He loves reading. His favorite book is Tintin. He watches a lot of cartoons. His favorite character is Popeye. So we have to find. First one is Jafar. Then he. Model is the name of the school. And the place, name of the place Kanpur. Then first word he, then first word his, like that, the name of the book Tintin, then first word he, then first word his, and the name of the character is Popeye. Okay. So in this place, in this capital letter are missing in these places. First one is Jafar. Jafar is the a sentence beginning with a capital letter. So Jafar start the sentence. So Jafar start or begins with a capital letter. So Jafar is my best friend. Here Jafar is my best friend. Jafar is my best friend. Here small letter Z and a small letter Z, Jafar. Then he is 7 years old. Here beginning word he, so he is small letter here, so we write here he capital letter. He is 7 years old. Then next, he studies in model school in Kanpur. He first word and model school, name of the school, and Kanpur, name of the place. So this is also proper noun. So you have to write that he capital letter studies in model school in Kanpur. So he capital letter, model school, the name of the school capital letter, and the name of the place Kanpur is capital letter. Next, he loves reading. Starting word he. So he capital letter. He loves reading. Next, his favorite book is Tintin. His and Tintin. Starting word his capital letter and favorite book is Tintin. The name of the book Tintin is also capital letter. Again, he watches a lot of cartoons. He watches a lot of cartoons. So starting word he. So we write he capital letter. He watches a lot of cartoons. Next one, his favorite character is Popeye. His favorite character is Popeye. Beginning word his and Popeye. The name of the cartoon name. The character of the cartoon. So we write his capital letter and Popeye P capital letter. So now I read. Jafar is my best friend. He is 7 years old. He studies in model school in Kanpur. He loves reading. His favorite book is Tintin. He watches a lot of cartoons. His favorite character is Popeye. So here Jafar, he, model school, Kanpur, he, his, Tintin, he, his and Popeye. These all are capital letters. These all are capital letters, my dear student. Look at the board. Now exercise number 2. Rewrite this conversation in your notebooks using correct punctuation marks and capital letters. In this exercise, we have to use punctuation marks and also capital letters. So this is a conversation. Teacher, Amit, Preeti, Joseph, Sonia, teacher, Sonia, all the children character. These all are the character of the conversation. So these all are character start with capital letters. So teacher, Amit, Preeti, Joseph, Sonia, teacher, Sonia, all teacher. These all are start with capital letters. So teacher, Amit, Preeti, Joseph, Sonia, teacher, Sonia, all the children, teacher. These all are start with capital letters. Teacher, where are you going for your summer holidays? Where are you going for your summer holidays? Here is the answer. So where first word is W. So start with capital letters. Where are you going for your summer holidays? So this is a question. So we use here question mark. This is a question. So we use here a question mark. Teacher, where are you going for your summer holidays? Next, Amit, I am going to Nainital in May. Nainital in May. So here Nainital is a place name and May is the name of the month. This is a proper noun. So we write here I capital letters, Nainital name of a place and May is a proper noun name of the month. So I, Nainital and May all are used in capital letters. Now then Preeti, I am going to Kochi in June. So here Kochi is the name of place and June name of the month. So here I capital letters, I am going to Kochi. Kochi is the name of the place, capital letter, and June name of the month, also capital letter. Then Joseph, I will be going to Kolkata. Then first word is I and Kolkata is the name of the place. Here Joseph, I will be going to Kolkata. First word is I capital letter will be going to Kolkata. Kolkata is the name of the place. So use here capital letter Kolkata. Then Sonia, I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. So here I and only I. Okay. Sonia, I am not going anywhere. Only use I capital letter and also full stop here. My dear student, in the second line, look at the board. In the second line, I am going to Nainital in May. Also, we use full stop here. Next, I am going to Kochi in June. Here we also used full stop here. I am going to be Kolkata. Here we also used full stop here. And then last, then I am not going anywhere. Here also used full stop here. And last, then teacher, why are you not going anywhere, Sonia? Here we used why, then Sonia, then anything. Teacher, capital letter Y, capital W, capital letter. Why are you not going anywhere? Then here comma and Sonia, name of proper name. So used here capital letter, and this is a question mark. So used here question mark. Why are you not going anywhere? This is a question mark and question mark question. So used here question mark. Again I am saying why are you not going anywhere, Sonia? Why, capital letter, are you not going anywhere, comma Sonia, proper noun. So we use here capital letter, and last one we use question mark because this is a question. Then Sonia, my uncle is getting married in June. My uncle is getting married in June. My and June, and also here use full stop. Sonia, my M is capital letter. Uncle is getting married in June. Name of the month, and we also use here full stop. This is a full sentence, so used here full stop. My uncle is getting married in June. Last one, sorry, not last one. All the children, Miss, where are you going? All the children, Miss, where are you going? Here Miss and last one. Miss, M is capital letter, and where are you going? This is a question, that's why we use here question mark. All the children, Miss, where are you going? Miss, capital letter, and where are you going? This is a question, that's why used here question mark. Now last one. Teacher, I am going to meet my mother in Hyderabad. Teacher is capital letter, and here I, and in also Hyderabad there. I also capital letter, first word, that's why I use capital letter. I am going to meet my mother in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a proper noun. That name, proper noun, name of a place. That's why used here capital letter. And last one is we used full stop. So my dear student, this is our question, exercise number 1 answer, and exercise number 2 answer. And our another topic is rearrange. Topic rearrange. Here are some jumbled word and jumbled sentence, and we have to make it rearrange. First one, what is this? NEDGEKNOW. So our rearrange word is knowledge. First one is K, then N, then O, then L, then E, D, G, E. Knowledge. Again I am saying knowledge. 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 Then number 2, AGEUGNAL. So our answer is language. 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 Number 3, LYGURELAR. And our answer is regularly. 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 Number 4 is MMERSU. So our answer is summer. SUNNER. Summer. These 4 are jumbled word, and these 4 are rearranged word. Now these are jumbled sentence. 5. A great Nazrul is poet. And our answer is Nazrul is a great poet. First you have to write Nazrul, then is, then great, then first Nazrul, then is, then A, then great, then poet. So you have to write that way. Nazrul is a great poet. Number 6. Not do hate poor the. So answer is do not hate the poor. Do not hate the poor. First you have to write do, then not, then hate, then the, then poor. So do not hate the poor. Then number 7. Is what name your. So answer is what is your name. What is your name? And last you have to put this question mark. At the last you have to put this question mark. And these all are sentence. That's why we use here full stop. And this is a question mark. So we use here question mark. Here is also given this question mark. This is also question mark. Number 8. Lives he in USA. Okay. So answer is he lives in the USA. Again I am saying he lives in the USA. Number 9. Fly birds the in sky. Fly birds the in sky. So answer is birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. And last one is full stop. Then 10 number. Gives us tree shade. Gives us tree shade. Number 10. Tree gives us shade. Again I am saying only the solution. Number 1 is knowledge. Number 2 language. Number 3 regularly. Number 4 summer. Number 5 Nazrul is a great poet. Number 6 do not hate the poor. Number 7 what is your name. Number 8 he lives in the USA. Number 9 birds fly in the sky. Number 10 tree gives a shade. My dear student, first of all you have to read this jumbled word and jumbled sentence very carefully. Then you have to make this jumbled word to rearrange. Okay, first of all you have to read this jumbled word and sentence very carefully. Then you will make then you will write this rearrange. And my dear student, your homework number 11 rearrange only. This is only your homework. This is rearrange only your homework. Homework 11 rearrange only homework. This rearrange only your homework. So my dear student, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. We will do your homework. Keep stay at home. See you again in